Lamborghini is known for its striking sports cars, with the iconic Lamborghini Urus standing out as one of the most luxurious and high-performing SUVs on the market. But while most Urus models are seen cruising through affluent neighborhoods and city streets, there's one example that is built to tackle much tougher terrain, making it possibly the ultimate Lamborghini off-roader. This specific Urus has been reworked by Apocalypse Manufacturing, a company based in Florida renowned for turning ordinary vehicles into insane off-road machines, especially their wild 6x6 Jeep Wranglers. However, this Lamborghini Urus conversion is perhaps the most extreme version of an off-road-ready Lambo that has ever been seen. Although not quite as over-the-top as some of the other vehicles Apocalypse has modified, this Urus is still one of the wildest versions of the Lamborghini SUV ever created. Finished in a satin black paint job that gives it a sleek yet rugged look, this Urus modification is designed to handle the most challenging terrains with ease, while maintaining a commanding, aggressive presence on the road. The first thing you notice about this unique Urus is the raised ride height, which is significantly higher than a stock version. This boost in ground clearance is crucial when preparing an SUV for off-road adventures, and in this case, it allows the installation of enormous 33-inch tires, paired with 22-inch forged wheels that add to the vehicle's off-road capability. While specific details about the suspension modifications are not readily available, it's clear that the ride height has been significantly increased to accommodate the larger tires. The vehicle now sits higher than the standard Urus, meaning it has much more clearance, which is essential for tackling uneven surfaces like gravel, snow, or sand. Given Lamborghini's focus on performance, this added height isn't just for show, it's all about performance off the beaten path. The modifications don't stop with just the height and wheels. The Urus is also equipped with a front skid plate designed to protect the underside of the vehicle while navigating rocky or uneven ground. This is a critical feature for any off-roading vehicle, ensuring that the important components of the car remain undamaged during rough trails. In addition, flared wheel arches have been added to accommodate the larger tires, and a new rear diffuser has been included. While the diffuser may not provide the aerodynamic benefits it would on a track, it certainly adds to the rugged look of the vehicle and gives it more of an off-road aesthetic. A new exhaust system has been fitted to this Urus, which not only improves performance but also enhances the aggressive growl that any off-road SUV should have. The sound is likely more menacing, echoing through trails and rough terrain. To add to the off-road functionality, a large Kevlar-coated steel roof rack has been installed, complete with a full-size spare tire. For extra lighting, the front of the roof rack features new LED driving lights, perfect for illuminating the darkest trails during nighttime off-roading adventures. Under the hood, this Lamborghini Urus still boasts its powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which now delivers 660 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque. While this power output is relatively unchanged from the stock model, it's important to note that the upgrades, particularly the new exhaust, might have added a small increase in horsepower. With 15,702 miles on the clock, this Urus, despite its modifications, still carries significant mileage, making it a unique option for those looking for an off-road Lamborghini with a bit of history. The asking price for this specially modified Urus is $286,500, which is quite a bit more than what you'd typically pay for a 2022 model with similar mileage. However, considering the extensive off-road modifications, the higher asking price is understandable. For enthusiasts who are looking for a one-of-a-kind Lamborghini that can handle more than just the highways and city streets, this Urus presents an exciting option. While most Urus models may never leave the smooth, paved roads, this off-road-ready version from Apocalypse Manufacturing offers a glimpse into what the Lamborghini SUV could be if it were built to conquer the wildest terrains. With its combination of off-road upgrades and Lamborghini's signature performance and luxury, this Urus stands as a true testament to what happens when supercar engineering meets off-road toughness.